these like scale RC aircraft?
These are the Warbird Series,
They are.
400mm from Valante RC.
Yes.
And these are awesome.
They are awesome.
We've got Spitfires, we've got T28s,
Mustangs,
Mustang
P51,
P51,
and the
Corsair.
Yeah.
It's 4 flavors.
Yep.
Basically the same underpinnings.
P47 as well.
Yep.
I think sometimes we get those in.
So really cool, single cell operated 3.7 volts, little
Yep.
rechargeable LiPo that goes in
the bottom here.
underneath here.
Yep.
This one doesn't have it at the minute. This is just one from the showroom. So yeah, clips in and out. The batteries are available. I think they're like $10 or $12 each. So you can go to the park with like 3 or 4 batteries in your pocket,
Yeah.
swap it out and keep going.
Yeah.
They come with like 3 spare props, and they're designed that they pop off in the event of an accident.
Yeah, right.
So instead of causing damage to the spinner and the shaft of the motor and everything, they're designed to pop off in an accident before they cause any damage.
And the one thing that caught my eye are all these models have scale propellers and then like dual propellers, like a twin blade.
Yeah.
So this one has like obviously the 3 blades as the scale look, and then it also comes with the dual blade.
Yeah.
So you get 2 of each, which is really cool. You can either fly it scale or you can fly it as just a fun flyer.
Yeah, that's right.
Depending how many pop off. You can also remove the wheels so it can have a in-flight look as you're flying it, and you hand launch it.
Yep.
And you softly come in. And it also has 3 modes on the controller.
Yeah, that's
So
got beginner, intermediate,
and expert.
Full expert, which is safety net off. And all those 3 flight modes is the levels of, I suppose, manipulation from the gyro.
That's right. It's really a flat flyer.
Yeah.
On the beginner mode.
Yeah.
You can pretty much move up into intermediate after a couple of flights, and it still has that safety net. But as soon as you cross over into expert, no gyroscope. You go
no gyroscope.
Full barrel rolls.
And full nose dives.
Nose dives. That's right. You really want to keep the orientation up as a light aircraft. But yeah, really, really cool. I thought I'd bring on the Corsair just to show a little bit of something off.
That is awesome.
Yeah.
That is awesome.
Beautiful.
Well, do you want to practice airport?
I think I'm gonna fly this one.
Go take off.
Go out this way. I'll go get the next person.
Go take off.
No worries.
See you, buddy. Oh.